For this look, you're going to need 2 paper towel rolls cut into 4, a blow dryer, a 1 3/4 inch round brush. And the first thing you're gonna do is measure your section. Make sure that your section is not wider than the width of the roller and not thicker than the diameter of the roller. And what you're gonna do is use the high heat setting and start round brushing that section. As soon as you're done, be sure to have your roller and clip ready because you're gonna want to roll it and clip it in place right after. So we're using the rollers to give the hair volume and body, and we're making it look like we just left the salon without actually leaving the salon. So here I am, I'm just going section by section. I only had 8 rollers total, so I'm only gonna do my front 2 sections on the sides, and then I'm doing 4 sections at the top. I'm using a paper towel roll just because I don't have actual rollers in my house. And it's actually a good size for my hair because my hair is short. If you have longer hair, you're probably gonna wanna use bigger rollers anyways, because your hair is gonna be too long to be wrapping around a small tube like that. So just be sure that you're using the correct size rollers for your hair and the look that you're going for. Whenever you're done, you're going to spray the section with hairspray, and then you're gonna do your makeup or whatever you need to do for a couple minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes until the curls set. Then you're gonna come back and you're gonna let down your hair. And this is the final look, and I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.